In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Trello's watching feature. If you're someone who heavily relies on Trello to organize your projects or collaborate with your team, understanding this feature can really help streamline your workflow by keeping you updated with critical changes. As you explore your Trello board, you might notice some cards have a small eye icon on them. When you hover over this eye icon, it reads, "You are watching this card." But what does this actually mean? Essentially, when you see this icon, it indicates that you've enabled notifications for that particular card. As a result, whenever there are changes made to the card, changes that are made by individuals other than yourself, and you have notifications enabled, you'll receive alerts about these updates. This can be especially helpful if you're overseeing a project with multiple collaborators, or if a specific task is crucial to you and you don't want to miss any updates on it. But it doesn't stop with just individual cards. The flexibility of Trello's watching feature extends beyond that. You can apply the same principle to entire sections, lists, or even your entire board. This means if you're working on a big project and want to keep an eye on everything happening within a particular list or everything across your board, you can do that too. Setting this up is pretty straightforward. You simply need to click on the three dots icon that accompanies the card, list, or board you're interested in, and then select the option labeled Watch. And voila, just like that, you've enabled the watching feature. It's a seamless, intuitive way to ensure you're always in the loop on the activities and updates that matter most to you. It's important to remember, though, that while watching helps keep you informed about changes made by others, it doesn't notify you of actions you perform yourself. So, it's mainly designed to alert you about the collaborative aspects of Trello, which is quite handy if you're part of a team sharing responsibilities on a project. In summary, Trello's watching feature is a powerful tool for project management. It enhances your ability to keep track of important developments within your cards, lists, or entire board as needed, ensuring you remain connected and informed. Whether you're a team leader monitoring various tasks or a team member focusing on specific assignments, leveraging this feature can make a big difference in how effectively you manage and respond to your workflows. So go ahead, try it out, and enjoy the added oversight it brings to your Trello projects.